How can mobile workers use portable ergonomic keyboards? Imagine working from a cozy coffee shop or a busy airport lounge and still feeling comfortable while typing. That's where portable ergonomic keyboards come into play. These keyboards are designed to make your mobile work life easier and more comfortable. They are small, lightweight, and easy to carry in a bag or backpack. Many fold in half or have slim profiles so you can pack them without taking up much space. This makes them perfect for traveling, remote work, or working in different locations. Most portable ergonomic keyboards feature split or angled layouts. This means the keys are divided into two sections or can be tilted to suit your wrist position. This design encourages a natural wrist and forearm posture, which helps prevent strain or discomfort during long typing sessions. Wireless connectivity is another big advantage. These keyboards connect via Bluetooth or other wireless methods, so you don't have to deal with tangled cords. You can place the keyboard at a comfortable distance from your device, whether it's a laptop, tablet, or smartphone. The keys on these keyboards are often low force, meaning they requiring less pressure to press down. This reduces finger fatigue, especially during extended use. Soft touch surfaces or curved keys also match the natural shape of your fingers, making typing smoother and more comfortable. Some portable ergonomic keyboards are customizable, allowing you to change key layouts or assign shortcuts. This helps reduce finger travel and makes working in tight spaces easier. Compatibility is another key feature. These keyboards work with many devices, including laptops, tablets, and smartphones. They usually connect quickly and easily, often with plug-and-play setup, so you can start working right away. For mobile workers, this means switching between devices is simple and hassle-free. Using a portable ergonomic keyboard helps maintain good posture no matter where you are. It reduces the risk of repetitive strain injuries and keeps you productive. Whether you are working in a hotel room, a co-working space, or a park bench, these keyboards support your comfort and health. They are a smart addition to any mobile office setup, blending ergonomic benefits with the freedom of working anywhere.